Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make this creepy face on Dress to Impress. So you are going to need VIP for this because of the horns, obviously. You can try with the other horns, but I'm not sure. I'll probably make a tutorial later on if that even works. Select the horn here, which is this one, and choose the scale pattern, which is here. Choose a black and white scale pattern. Position x 0.52, y 0.44, z 0.51. Rotate the x to 0.17, the y at 1, the z at 1 point. Whoa, okay, it should be at 1. And then scale it to 0.11. I don't know why it's like that. Then, oh, actually, I still need one more. Then you'll need the eye patch here, which I colored. Let me see. I colored it 280505 for all of it, well, except for the straps. And I used the foil material on it. Position the Z at 0.52. And that's it. I just put it back. Then you're going to get this headpiece here, up here. And I just colored the first and the third toggle. Sorry, the first toggle I colored black, and then the rest I colored white. Position the Y at 0.24, the Z at 0.48. Rotate the X to 0.63 and scale it to 0.4. Then you are going to also grab the bloody necklace. Grab that and color it 280405 and 650B0D. Position the X at 0.58, the Y at 0.73. Z at 0.33, rotate the X at 0.54 and scale it down to 0.38. And that is it for the face. If you want a tutorial on the full costume that I have on, the full outfit, just comment in the comment section down below. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.